we're very excited about the future of the health department in a new facility.
Hamilton County Mayor Weston Wamp says the decades-old health department needs more than a facelift.
I wouldn't describe our 64-year-old health department as a terribly inviting place for young families right now. It's an old facility. The county's got deferred maintenance issues with it.
One issue that had employees writing to the state with their concerns: asbestos. Back in October, TOSHA began investigating the Hamilton County Health Department for possible exposure to asbestos after employees filed complaints, saying they weren't told quickly enough of possible exposure. Through an open records request, we received these internal emails exchanged between the Hamilton County Health Department and Hamilton County Risk Management from November of last year, saying in part, quote, "On or around October 27th of 2023, removal of vinyl baseboards exposing black mastic, which may have disturbed asbestos, which may be contained in the leftover mastic, in the following areas of the clinic: nurses' station, lab, patient workup area, and hallways." But a county spokesperson told us while there is asbestos in the building, their investigation revealed it was not harmful to employees.
I think we learned that the asbestos issue wasn't what we initially thought it was.
Exposure, so everything's fine.
But the State Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or TOSHA, says their investigation isn't over while they wait for more samples to come back. John Schultz with the Air Pollution Control Bureau was part of the initial investigation and says the asbestos they discovered was non-friable. We asked what that means for employees.
Non-friable is material that you cannot crush by hand pressure to a powder. Well, that's true with any asbestos. If it just sits, it's okay. It's when you start to disturb it that there's the potential for exposure.
The county told us they did work to remove asbestos in January, but it ended a few weeks ago. Mayor Wamp says his main priority is to move forward with the new health department building.
Let's just not go to replacing windows and major items that wouldn't be a good use of taxpayer dollars, since we feel like we're on a schedule where we may have a plan in place in the next few months for a new health department location.